wig for me, okay? Like, let's get into it. So for today's video, I will be coloring some hair using the water method. And if you guys are not familiar with the water method, then you're gonna learn today what the water method is. So I already have my water in my silver bowl. I am using lukewarm water, and then I'm taking my hair dye and adding some into the water, and then I'm taking a shot to mix it in the getaway. I know, it's okay though. Then you're gonna grab your hair and dunk it in that water. But the only thing with this color specifically, it was not trying to turn when I dipped it, honey. So I took it out and then I applied this color specifically directly to the roots of the hair, which that worked. But then after that, I was like, you know what, I'm not giving up. So I then dipped the hair once more back into the water, which I left it in there sitting for like a good minute. And then I took it out and I was like, okay, it's working. So with this color specifically, you do have to let it sit in the water for like a good minute or so before it actually like does anything. So for it to work, you actually need to let it sit in the water. So then I dipped it in the water a few times, let it sit, and then after that, I moved on to the blue. So I put the hair aside and then changed the water, and now I'm using this blue dye by Adore, a really pretty blue. It's called Aquamarine. And you guys can definitely tell like a difference in the hair dye. So compared to that Kiss hair color, the Adore hair dye worked so much faster. My wig literally soaked the color up immediately. I did not have to wait or anything like that. Once I dipped it, I could have like pulled it out and the color was on the hair already. So I did dip the wig in the water a few times. I also added more color to the water for the areas that needed it. And yeah, I just really had to make sure like this color covered each crevice of this wig. As far as like when I got up to the top, I did kind of like make both colors clash together. So wherever I ended that gray color, I kind of like brought the blue dye into it a little bit, just a little bit. And then I took my fingertips and rubbed it over the two colors just to merge them together. And that was pretty much all I did for this wig, you guys. It turned out so beautiful. The blue areas on this wig was so saturated and nice. It was just like giving me totally like mermaid vibes. Like, I felt like I was a mermaid in the damn sea. Okay. Alright, so let's get into styling the hair. So the first thing that we're doing is flat iron the hair. And you guys know if you wear wigs, you definitely need a hot comb. Like, no questions asked, you need a hot comb. So please, just buy a hot comb. Especially if you wear wigs on a regular, buy a hot comb. Just invest in a hot comb. Now I'm just sectioning off some hair. These hairs I'm going to use for my baby hairs. We're going to have some grown adult hairs today, but it's cool though. So I'm sectioning off the hair, then I'm taking some heat protector and just spraying it over that, and then I'm just passing that hot comb back over it, and then we're going to get into the crimps. So this crimping iron that I got, I usually call it a crimpler. I don't know where I got that word from, but I just kept calling it a crimpler. So whenever I see it, to me, it's like a crimpler. But yeah, you get the point. I did pick this up in my local beauty supply store. If you do live in Toronto, you can find this at either Clores or BSW. They both sell them. And it's by the brand Red. And you guys, this product is so amazing. It does get super hot also. It goes up to about 430 Fahrenheit. So it gets hot, like real hot. To the point where I'm like crimping my hair and I was like, oh my gosh, if this falls on my leg right now, I am doomed. Like literally doomed. And as usual, to install my wig, I am using the Gatsby Blasted Freeze Spray. I normally take this spray and only spray it in front of my hairline, and then I take my blow dryer and pass it over it. And once the spray gets tacky, then you can go ahead and lay down your wig. Then once I lay down my wig, I usually go back over with the blow dryer on, again cool heating. And once I feel like my wig is secured and everything is dry, then I go ahead and cut off the lace. After cutting the lace, I normally always go back in and spray down the air tabs, because whenever cutting the lace, for some reason they always lift, so I always have to go back in and spray down the air tabs. But once I do that, my air tabs are stick down for a good 2 days. So go back over the air tabs area, and then you just want to make sure that every area of your wig is really secured onto your head, and then you can go on to styling the baby hairs or just doing everything else afterwards. Now I'm just taking my scissors and cutting these baby hairs shorter. So like I said, there were going to be some grown baby hairs. So I'm taking my Gatsby gel and I'm just like slicking everything down. And yeah, that was like the only baby hairs. I did eventually added some sideburns afterwards, but I did not show that part on camera. But as far as like me installing my wig, that was basically it, you guys. That's all I did. It was so easy. This video is kind of long and I did not want it to be too long, but I definitely was going to be a little long. So it seems like a lot of work, but when it came to like installing the wig itself, I did not have to do a lot of work at all. As far as the hair itself, really soft and nice, really silky. I didn't even have to pluck the front, you guys, or do any work on the frontal itself. The hair was amazing. Okay, y'all, so it's been so long since I've done a colored wig, and I'm talking like a year long. Like, it's been forever now. And this one is really easy to do. So I did use the water dye method. I did use some Adore hair dyes to color it in a cheapest color, which turned out so beautiful. I'm like obsessed with this color, and this is really my first time ever trying like to do crimp curls. And I love the crimps on this. Like, they're so cute. I did crimp it up last night, so right now it's a bit stale, you know, they're kind of dropping on this side over here, but I need to head outside, so I don't have time to re-crimp them. But yeah, this is the hair. The hair is super soft. Also, this hair is from Premium Lace Wigs. This is one of their blonde lace front units. I did get this hair in a 12 or 14 inch, I believe. I'm not too sure exactly, but I'll have that listed down below for you guys. Yeah, this is pretty much the hair. I am so loving this color. I honestly miss doing these type of videos, you know, I'm creating different looks for you guys and all of that. Like, it's so fun to do, but it's just like a lot of times I really don't have the time to do it. But yeah, I really enjoy this. I love the color of this hair. Comment down and let me know how you guys feeling this hair. Is it a him in the head down in the comment section right now and let me know, are you guys feeling this color on me? Is it a hit or miss, girls? Like, I really want to know. Like, I feel like this color is so cool. It's definitely giving me like mermaid vibes, like that blue mermaid color. I'm like obsessed with this color right now. I love it. The eyeshadow, everything just goes together so well. So again, I did get this wig from Premium Lace Wigs. I'll have all the details listed down below for you guys, where you guys can purchase her. Also, I do have a discount code that we get to save some coins. And yeah, until next time, I will definitely see you guys in my next one. If you have not checked out my other videos, they will be right here somewhere on the screen for you guys to check them out. Thank you guys so much for the support, for watching all of that. Also, do not forget to share, like, comment, subscribe, hit that subscribe button so you will not miss any of my uploads, and I will catch you guys in my next